Okay. Where's the...
The text you need to...
Hello everybody, welcome to the show, Carlis.
So my best experience was the first activity at school that I did like 1 year ago. It was the first experience that I had with young people of 10 years old. And after 1 hour of session activities and games with them, they just make a hug group, and that make me feel alive, let's say, and very happy to work with young people. And that's at this moment that starts my idea to work in this field.
I'm working in social services agency for a while, about 6 years, and actually now is the moment when I can get out the best part of it, because the first guys that I used to work with, when we started to work with them, they had a lot of problems in their lives, and now after these years we can meet them again, and that is quite great when they pass to you and say, "Hey mate, thank you, you made a big change in my life, you helped me." Those all actually are those are the moments that are most memorable for me.
Okay, for me, this training has been a very important, not only as training experience, but actually as a kind of job shadowing experience, because seeing experienced and qualified youth workers leading the way through and interacting with other youth workers at a very quite younger age for us has been a very enriching experience. Because I have discovered it's very important for me not only to work in my small circle, but also to open my world to different contexts, different working styles, most of all, and just to show me how important it is to keep going and keep improving my knowledge and skills.
The most memorable experience was when the people, young people who I've been working with for 2 semesters, they had a cake for themselves, and there were a lot of people around us, and they asked me to come to their company and eat the cake with them, because it was like a gesture from their heart to show how much they appreciate me.
So the most important moment was for the lift group, when we were in circle and that we have to lift one person in the middle. I was not really comfortable to do it, but at some point I saw that people are trustable, and I felt actually that I could trust them. So I just did it, and it was really good to trust the group with who I will work during all the session and all the days of the training.
I always preferred the debriefing session, because this is when we really went in depth into what we have been doing, and in some way it kind of made me reflect and extract the most important things I should take away with me to home. And I've learned how to do the debriefing session more properly. It should not be so spontaneous, but it should be something more structured, and really it takes practice and methodology.
Everything was like new and surprisingly me, and in a positive way. Also the dynamic of the new participant and the previous participant to the other training was something interesting, and when we manage some activities by ourselves, not led by the facilitators and the trainers, we did also a good job, and something that I didn't expect. You know, in this job I think that the best way to learn is not like reading book or participating in conferences, but the most is the practice. So if you participate in project, in other training, then you will be able to write and to deliver better training.
I really loved the ending 2 days, because in that moment we started to concentrate what will happen after this TC. we started to talk about projects. We started to make connections in a memorable way. Let's say, we wanted to work together in some future projects. So there are some ideas already. I hope we will make them happen.
It was a moment when we had this task where everybody was sitting in a circle and they had to lift the person in the middle up. And it was important for me because I was the first who went in the middle, even though I wasn't sure about it, but I felt like I could trust the group and I was pushing myself out of my comfort zone, and it was important for me.
I learned that some of them had past experience and backgrounds so different that I think they start working as youth worker to avoid at some young to have exactly the same problem that they had. And for me, it's really it's worth it to believe that some people can do it for other people.
For me, it was a great experience to learn with others, their visions, their different experience. For me, it's very important to integrate the difference and to accept that difference and to use that difference to work with young people. So I think it's very meaningful, this learning that we have here, because we can see a lot of different visions and different perspectives that will enrich our learning and the learning that will facilitate with the youngs.
I think that surprisingly this time I felt very comfortable during improvising, and surprisingly because I found it in the past or during the previous session, the previous training, very stressful for me and I had a problem with it, and this time I felt really comfortable and it was actually fun, so I totally improved it, and I'm grateful that we had these activities once again.
All the stuff we learned here is also like important for me, but these conversations with people that I meet for the first time of my life, these are the things that will stay with me all the time.
I really admire how some people have this innate ability to just inspire and lead people to do to do their best and just inspire people, and I really hope to be able to encourage that in myself to do in my future youth work.
When I go back, I will use definitely some of the things I learned, some of the, let's say, tools that we learned on this TC, because 2 months after this one, I'm going to Turkey to be a facilitator, and in autumn we will probably apply some of those projects. We will see which of them we will get, and we will definitely use some of the tools or some of the techniques and some of the connections we gather here for future.
I will try to apply what I learn and to be more confident with the groups with who I work with, because for me it's really important to trust on them and to trust on myself and on my knowledge, and just to share also all the experience that I had here, and that was really amazing.
If I reckon right, after a week or two I already have the first summer camp, so I will probably use the methods, especially the debriefing one, updated one, in the summer camps after I facilitate a certain session, and yeah.
For me the same, yeah.
I will use this experience in my everyday life and not only connect it to young people, that was the main topic here, but there are many things I can use in my everyday life with people all around me, no matter the age. For example, this reflection cycle to help people learn from their experience.
Once I get back to Curba, I want to learn everything, to use everything that I learned here, and to facilitate as much as possible. I don't know, to use it as much as possible and as good as possible.
Okay, I will improve all this knowledge that I've learned during this training course, and also I will apply it with the young people that I work. Yeah, it might be this for now, and I expect also to have motivation to make part of also another training course that can complement this one.
I keep my pistol up the safety cat.